Identify the object which is under the table. This ball is under the table. That's why we will take this ball. Choose the missing shape in the given clock. Circle is in the clock. Triangle is in the clock. Square is in the clock too. But rectangle is not in the clock. That's why we will take this rectangle. Select the incorrect match. Circle, yes, these are circles. Triangle, yes, it is triangle. Rectangle, yes, it is rectangle. Square, no, it is not square, it is rectangle. That's why we will take this square. Which of the following shapes is missing in the given image? See, rectangle is in the image. Circle, triangle, yes, triangles are in the image. Square, yes, square is in the image. That's why we will take circle.